So guys, meron tayo dito. Ito ang ating chocolate champorado guys. So ayan guys, isa. Pinadala ito galing pa to ng Abu Dhabi. Dahil nag-request ako kay Habi na padala niya ako ng mga Filipino food. So ayan guys. So ito yan guys, chocolate champorado. Dahil nag-crave tayo. So nilagyan ko na ng tubig to guys. Takpan muna natin. So inas ko siya sa lalagyan guys kasi medyo naano siya, tingnan niyo. So ayan, baka kasi mabutas. So guys, bigay to kanya ng sister. So, Ramadan. Up. Wow, this Talia make it this for the wow, for the eat, for the inside guys. For the
Eat. Mommy, eat. Open. Open. Open.
Eda,
Open.
Liman open. Open the. What I will open? Talia hungry? Oh no! Oh no! So yun guys, nag-order tayo sa talabat ng prutas ni Talia. So ito meron tayong melon, cantaloupe, and then strawberry, faraula guys. Kasi favorite yan ni Talia. And musa or banana, sa ni Talia. Sack. Get your sacks, yalla. Maglaga. Nice. Okay. Where's Talia? Oh, what are you? Ayan si Talia, guys. See? Ayan. What are you doing, Talia? Oh, what's she eating? Oh, say hello. Hi, guys. Talia. Say hello now. What are you eating, Talia? What are you doing? What are you watching? Yeah, Talia. Say bye. See you again on our next one. Bishisa, guys.